Our Auto Windshield Recycling Machine is designed to efficiently separate laminated car windshields into glass cullet and PVB interlayer for independent recycling. With advanced pre-crushing and separation technology, this system delivers clean glass output and high-quality PVB film, both ready for direct resale. Glass can be sold to glass factories and construction material producers. PVB can be reused in plastics, adhesives, and other industrial applications. Turn waste windshields into valuable materials and create new revenue streams. Interested in this machine? Contact us today for more details.